The most powerful truths have the simplest solutions. Pythagoras proved this 2,500 years ago. One day, during a walk, he uncovered a universal secret, one that would reshape the world as we know it. Pythagoras was a mystic. You probably know him for the Pythagorean theorem, coining the term philosophy, founding a secretive cult. But he was about to make the most important discovery of his life. One day, Pythagoras passed by a blacksmith's workshop. The clanging of hammers caught his ear, but not just any clanging. There was a strange harmony in the chaos. Intrigued, he entered the shop to investigate. There he found 4 hammers. He noticed that the hammers' sounds varied in pitch, and some combinations were remarkably pleasing to the ear. Why? Pythagoras was driven by curiosity. After examining the hammers, he discovered something remarkable. The 4 harmonious hammers had weights in perfect mathematical ratios to each other. According to the legend, the hammers weighed 12, 9, 8, and 6 pounds. Pythagoras found that hammers with a 2-to-1 weight ratio produced an octave, 3-to-2, a perfect fifth, 4-to-3, a perfect fourth, and that is when the world as we knew it would change. This chance discovery led Pythagoras to develop a theory connecting mathematics and music. He proposed that musical harmony could be explained through numerical ratios, but he didn't stop here. He believed that these harmonic ratios were the key to understanding the entire universe, including the movement of celestial bodies. This gave birth to the concept of music of the spheres. Pythagoras theorized that because objects produce sound when in motion, planets moving in orbit should also create sound. He even assigned specific tones to different planets based on their perceived distances and speeds. The impact of Pythagoras' ideas was immense. For centuries, musicians, scientists, and philosophers have explored the intersection of math and music, leading to advancements in both fields. The next time you hear a piece of music or ponder the mysteries of the universe, remember Pythagoras and how a simple walk past a blacksmith's forge changed our understanding of harmony, both in music and the cosmos.